Absolutely correct. Personality development, very true. Yes, so many people are commenting, right? So after learning the first lesson, yes, Sushant correct, Shraddha correct, Akshara correct, Shrija correct. After learning this first unit, was there any change in your personality or not? Please let me know. No change, sir. Manalo ఏం చేంజ్ వస్తది? ఇంతకు ముందు నేను ఎలాగే ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు కూడా అట్లనే ఉన్నారు. So how can you expect such kind of big changes? ఏ changes అంటే sudden big changes I'm not expecting. కానీ was there a little bit of positive feeling from somewhere else? Yes, lot of great personalities I have learned about them, how great they are. Yes, truly, yes, so many people are saying yes, very very happy that there was some kind of positive feeling in your mind. Completely anyway, no person can change. Yes, Pradiksha, always, yes, very good. 100% no one can change because our basic character is definitely important. But when you learn some important things, somewhere else we feel, yes, ekkadi nunchi edo okati idanni nijame kada, inta mandi chesetappudu nenu enduku cheyalem, that feeling will come, honestly. So let us have some personality test right now. There is going to be a personality test. It is not a test. You can write any answer. There is no correct answer. There is no wrong answer. Nothing as such. So that truly reflects your personality. And there are going to be 5 to 10 questions, right? And you should write only yes or no. So let me tell you, you should select only yes or no. And I will send you the link right now. You should click on it and try to join. And once everyone complete, I will be able to see your responses here. And after that, we can evaluate the question and you should start allotting the marks for yes or no. But remember, there is no wrong answer. There is no
Correct answer.
stupid answer, etc. It is purely based on your perception. Okay, so are you ready? So shall I send you the link for you people to check your personality, how it is
Yes,
going
sir.
to be, what kind of a person you are? Are you a positive person? How much personality you have and all the things. So this is what. Ready, everybody is ready. Pratiksha is ready, Shraddha is ready, Sampath is ready, Shrija is ready, all are ready. Well and good. So here comes the link, and let me tell you one thing, 100% successful or not, I am praying that it should become successful, because first time I am sending the link from this app, so I do not know whether it is going to be okay or not. So I'm just trying. So let me send you the link. Yes, here we have. Yes, I have copied, and you guys are going to get the link right now. Yes, all are ready. Yes, I have sent the link right now. Please click on it. Please click on it and start answering that. And you have got maximum 5 minutes to complete this. Only yes or no. Yes or no. Read the question and please start giving the responses. So some of the people have joined just now. For all those people, I am sending the link once again. Click on it, start giving the answers. Okay, let me check how whether you guys are doing it or not. Yes, those who have completed, please wait so that we can see. So are you able to see the questions? Please confirm. Or are you getting any error message or anything? I hope no problem, right? Hope there is no problem. Those who joined just now, let me tell you, yeah, Jaydeep, you have joined just now, right? Everything is fine. Thank you so much for confirming. Very great. Thank you so much, Pratiksha. Pratiksha is giving me a lot of Pratiksha. Right. So Jaydeep, I have sent a link. Click on it, and this is a small survey to find out your personality. Click on it and please give yes or no for those questions. That is what your task. So let's check who is the most positive guy in the class. Let's check who is the most positive guy. Personality survey. Personality survey. Personality survey. Jaydeep, I hope you have joined. T. Akshaya just now joined. Latecomers are always the people who spoil. There is no problem, sir. Okay. Akshaya, there is no problem. T Akshaya, I'm going to send you the link right now. Please click on it, Akshaya, and join the activity. Quick. Those who have completed, please comment yes in chat, because like a quiz, I won't be able to see the live response. Otherwise, I have to end it. Already completed, done. Okay, fine, very great. So many people have completed. So it's a time for us to evaluate the results and see your personality. Okay, many people have completed. So let me go for it. Fine. So the results.
Completed, sir.
Okay, completed, right? I'm waiting for some more people who have just started. Let's see. Okay, guys, so we can see that. Okay, done. Very good. So let me share the screen and we will see how your things were there. And I will tell you how many marks you should give for each question. And you may please calculate and see how much positive you are. Okay, right. So we will evaluate these questions as well. So that will let us know how much, what do you call, a positive this question is. Okay, so here the questions are going to come. So you can see, and let me share the screen. Yes, here you can see the results. So everyone, so the first question was, your teacher has assigned you a task in English, which you think is very difficult, but you have decided to try. So the people who have selected yes answer, okay, you may please take a pencil or paper or anything with you, and straight away you can start marking as well. So for this particular question, the teacher has assigned you a task in English which you think very difficult, but you have decided to try. Those who have written selected yes answer, they can give 2 points. Those who have not written no, they can give 1 point, which means the answer is definitely correct only, because it is purely your perception. So here what we are checking is whether you have got the willingness to take the risk or not, because we have learned in the lesson that of course we should take risk in our lifetime sometimes, right? Those who are not ready to take the risk, sometimes they may not get big success. So for yes you can give 2, for no you can give 1. Next question, you have participated in a team game, your team has become victorious, you really felt bad when nobody recognized you. Okay, 40 people says yes, 60 people says no. Okay, for example, your team has become victorious, you felt bad. Okay, so here 40 people says yes. So my dear children, for this question, if you have given yes, you should give 1 mark. Be very honest, because I can check who are all giving yes, but not now. After some time I will be able to check because I have to close this and I have to pull out the report separately. If you have given yes, you can give 1 mark. If you have given no, then you can give 2 mark. Why? I will tell you. So this is the team game. In a team, always whose performance is important? Please tell me. In a teamwork, team's performance is very important. Their individual is not going to be the person who is going to get that claim. So you might have done very specially something, but you should not feel at that time. Players are very important. Truly, if Sentadri school is going to score something tomorrow, it is a credit for everyone. So not only for you people, for everybody it is going to be a credit only. So I request you people, what to do? You are supposed to write 1 for yes, 2 for no. That is what I would like to say. All right. Then after that, okay, let's go. Let's continue. Then you have got the next question. You believe that girls can do anything on par with boys? Yes, very good. There are 16% of the people who says no, and 84 people says that yes. Very good. So this is the time where, there is no difference between boys, girls, gender, caste, creed, discrimination, everything. Yes. So all are capable, right? So physically, some people may be weak or strong. It doesn't mean that someone is incapable of doing something. The capability is applicable for everyone, and this world is for people who have got the ability or talent, not for boy, girl, etc. So if you give yes, you can give 2. If it is no, you can give 1. Coming to the next question, your teacher has given you a very important notes for your exam. You have shared with others in the class. Okay, very good. So 92 people, okay, 23 people says that yes, and 2 people says that no. So what does it mean? You love your friends. That's the reason you wanted to score well marks for the friends as well. But 2 people say that they are not going to share, which means that shows they wanted to what do you call, become the toppers. Okay, so that is a good thing. Only if cheating in the examination is not at all good, but still you can give 2 marks for yes, 1 mark for no. Coming to next question, you have several doubts in a subject, but you do not want to consult your teacher or your friends because the fear that they will underestimate your ability. Yes, this is very, very important points. Normally most of you us think in such a way. See, 8 people said yes, because of fear and all they may not approach somebody. I think just for marks, most of the people have written yes. Can practical ga majority of you are like this only, I think. But if you have given no, then you can get 2 marks. If you have given yes, then give 1 mark. For yes, you can give 1 mark. For no, you can give 2 marks. Because you should not have fear to clarify your doubts, because it is your right to get it clarified, right? And a few more questions. You would love to have a lot of friends. Yes. So 22 people yes, 3 people no. So for this question, I cannot say that, because you can give 1 mark equal, but little advantage will be for the people, because I do not want you to separate. Little advantage will be there for people who responded yes. But being an introvert is not at all a crime. It is a very serious issue, my dear children. See, I just wanted to talk about that one. See, this is one of the biggest problems faced by the people who are a little bit shy. In Narayan Murthy's lesson, we have already learned, right? Being an introvert, is it a problem? Being an introvert, it is not at all a problem. The other people will think that they have got some psychological problems, etc., etc. So sometimes you may face difficulty, but if you have good communication with others, definitely more people are there for you to support. But being an introvert should not be considered as a kind of negative quality. So they are very much comfortable in their own world. Then why should I worry about it? If I'm an introvert, I will be happy with my world. But others are always teasing me. Are ఈమె ఎవరితో మాట్లాడలేదు, చాలా పొగురింది అనుకున్నా, అంతా అబ్బా అనుకుంటాను. So those people are suffering because of that reason. So never ever put down any introverts. That is a part of the personality. But the more you interact, the more friends, more connections, and all the things will happen. So that is what I just wanted to clarify. Right now, let us go to the next question here. And for this, yes, you can give 1. For no, also you can give 1. You get irritation when others find fault with you have done. Oh, so many lies are there. You can see 7 people wrote yes, 18 people wrote no. I can say that these 7 people are the people who are honest. Really, they are honest. But in terms of marks, you will get only 1, and here you will get 2. Because when somebody is trying to correct you, you should check why this person is correcting me, why this person is talking about me. Is there any problem with my behavior? In such a way, you can improve yourself, and you should consider it as a positive step only. Coming to the next question, your class is very shabby. Your advise your friends to keep it and tidy. This question is the biggest joke of the century, because you do not know when are you going to get this chance, right? So for yes, definitely you will get 2. You will get 1 mark for no, because it is your responsibility to make your classroom neat. For yes, 2. For no, 1. And coming to the last few questions, you do not like to complain about anything or against anybody. Okay, 16 people wrote this one. They will get 2, and these people will get no. Okay, but I can say that one more psychological kind of definition: anything about against anybody, that is not practical at all, right? So a person who doesn't have too much of complaint is a person who is very satisfied in his life. So this 2, this is 1. You believe I have so much to learn from others. Very fine, great. So those people are definitely going to learn a lot. So when you are going to be a part of any institution, when you are going to part of any job or something else, this quality will really help you. నాకు అన్ని తెలుసు అని అనుకునే వాళ్ళు చాలా బాధపడతారు. So always try to be open for learning, for yes to, for no one. You say I am responsible for my deeds. Very good. Yes, you are only responsible for your action. Fine. Instead of finding fault with others, you are taking the responsibility for your action. Yeah. So we have done with that. Now please calculate your score and tell me how many points you have got. And please comment some of your scores that you have received so that we will come to know who is the most positive person or who has got the highest point. So I will take the report later on. So Vasavi has got 16. Very fine. So how many questions were there altogether? How many questions were there? Be honest. Ashwini 19. Okay, Ashwini 19, Ligita 19, Srija 19, Chakradeja 19, 18. Okay, very good. Lahari 19. Okay, 11 questions were there. Okay, fine. So 11 questions. So if you get 11, all if it is correct, 11 into 2, how much? 22 should be there. So no one is typing 22. Shraddha has got a 20. Balaji also has got 20. Oh, highly positive person. Where ekdam namaskar. So we have to give a salute to you because you are our role model. Hello, Sirji, Ashirwad kijiye. So we have to. Bhavita Reddy 21. Nobody is there to carry me. Nobody is there to haul me here. Okay. So Bhavita 21. Gayatri 18. Okay. Aharnika 19. CS Atik 21. Sanjana 20. CS Atik 20. Neeraj Gaud. Okay, 17. P Karthik 20. But Vasavi was very honest. She has typed a 16. So very good. P Karthik 20. Okay, my dear children. So your score is going on in such a way. Prachi Tiwari, you have got 20. Well and good. I can check your score after this. If possible, I'll put the PDF of the report so that I will come to know what was your real answer at the time. Okay, but very happy this year 10th class students are very good. You have got a very positive attitude, and the lowest score is 16 so far. No one has got less than 16, and very, very happy. So let this positive attitude guide us continuously, and with this hope we will get into the next lesson shortly. And being positive is a very important kind of thing, my dear children, and you should have that positive personality. So the people start liking you. Even after the school is over, even after this batch is getting finished, still people will get in touch with you. Arey, that is what the power. Okay, right. So that is all about the first activity. Still we have got time left, right? Yes, we have got another 20 minutes left. So now the activity that we are going to have is all about your recreational activity. So let us have some entertainment as well. Every time long lecture, long lecture, long lecture, right? Sometimes we need to get some relaxation from our morning session onwards. You have been in class since 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So definitely human minds require some relaxation also. And this is the activity that we have already done. I don't know with how many people I have done this, but with most of the people we have done, if I'm not wrong. Right? So in Nearport, that painting activity, have you done? Painting activity. With the girls, I think for girls section, I think we have completed that, right? Yes, for chemistry, yes. Chemistry is also responding. Mayur is also responding. So which means for the both the people, we have done it. So it is the time for us to recreate once again, because it was done long back. So we can have some activity, and you can draw any picture of your choice, and by seeing that picture, I should understand this is what that person's personality. So whatever you are feeling in your mind, you can write. So it can be anything. So let me send the link. But only the problem is this application supports only 40 people. At a time, only 40 people can. So whoever is joining very fastly, the first 40 people can be a part of that. So after, if anybody, 41st person, if he is or she is going to come, they won't be able to join. For those people, I will send you another link. So no need to worry. I'll send you another link for them. So now let me send you the link. You start drawing, give your creativity, and you should tell me who was the best creative artist at the end. So if you do not know how to draw, you can download the picture and keep, you can put nice quotations, whatever it is. This activity is for just a recreation, and here comes the link. So let me send you, and here we go. I can give a topic. If I give topic, I think it would be specific. Okay, no need to specific. Let me check. Let me see what exactly is there in your mind. If I give you a topic, that would be specific. So I just wanted to give a question, right? And you can write about any topics. So that is best, any topic, so that your creativity will definitely come out. And here is the give topic. Topic is required, Pradiksha. Okay, so I can suggest some topics. So from the topic you can select. Okay, so I have sent you the link right now and the meeting code. In case if it is asking any password, okay, you can enter this. No topic is required because you're free to select any topic. Okay, so click on it. Only first 40 people will be able to. Okay, so the 41st person may face difficulty. I'll send you the link for them. Okay, don't worry. Right, so here let me go. So hope everyone have joined. I can see that. So far 11 people have joined. 11. Request the remaining people also to join. So only okay. So if I wanted to create another one, it takes some time. As of now, I can see that the number of people 25, only 25 people. Vasavi already started. She has already started. Fine. When the number has not reached 20, I think when number has not reached 40, I think I should not worry about it. Please make a poster on any topic that you like. So some samples like some beautiful scenery, your present situation. You make a poster which shows your present situation. Smiley face, happy face, struggling, difficult, hopeful, or you can draw the picture of a busy street, or a picture which shows the father daughter relationship, mother kid relationship, or animal picture. But being a 10th class student, your points will tell us your personality. Okay, right? So Shiva, people 34 people joined. 34. Now there are some unlucky people who are not able to start. So you can, if you are not good at painting, you can put what do you call quotations also. There is no problem. You can put quotations and all. Definitely that also will work out. As of now, 35 people. 5 more people can join. Five more people. As I said, 5 more people can join. It doesn't mean that other people cannot join. After once the allotted limit 40 is over, it is difficult. So many people are there who have not done. Okay, I can see some beautiful pictures, but some people are not. I mean, they have not yet started. Awaiting. Niharika has not started. P. Satvika not started. Rushita not started. Pravalika not started. Prajakta not started. Prajakta madam, what happened? Not started. And the topic can be anything. Your picture defines your maturity and your what do you call personality. It doesn't mean that if you draw the picture of a cat or any dog, you are like a kid. That shows that you have got a good heart, like a child who always thinks like a child and who is very happy. So anything can be. So your picture is a reflection of your thought. That is what I can say. Yeah. Very nice. Suresh, your picture is very good, Suresh. I can see that. Beautiful picture. You have done it well. I understand that drawing picture on mobile screen is somewhat difficult. Every time it may not be easy. But let us try. Let us learn something new every time. All right. So we can. We have got only 10 more minutes left for this session to complete. And if you have completed, submit. Vikas Chari, good, you have submitted also. A small picture, very simple picture, right, Vikas Chari? Yes, Vikas, I like your picture. Okay, Sampath, good. Sampath has beautifully explained or mentioned his real situation as of now. Fine. So Sampath is feeling sad about something. Okay. Right. Oh, Lahari lady. Once again, you want to bring Corona? Okay. Fine. Great. Okay. Fine. So Avni. Oh, so you are Ubendar sir's pet. Right, Avni? Okay, my dear children, I think we can have a quick look at your works. Still now, only 38 people have joined. Actually, the total limit is 40. And there are, how many people are there in the class? 49 people are there. No, excluding me, 47. Out of 47, only 38 people are there. So some people have not joined yet. I don't know. Okay, so shall we go for the exhibition? Now the painting exhibition is going to start. Your mind reflection. What reflects in your mind is going to come. So shall I share the screen so that you can see how did your friends do? You may please tell me among all this, which one do you think is the best? So that, and please comment their name and we will declare the winner. Okay, right. So I think I am going, yes, I am going to share the screen because we have got less time left because 38 pictures are there. By the time, if you look at all the 38 pictures, it would be late. It is already 4 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to share the screen and we will see how the things were there. Okay. So here we go for sharing. So my drawing is cancelled because of network. Okay, let me check Sampath. But Sampath, I got it. Sampath, no problem. I got it. Okay, you are going to see that right now. Share the screen and you guys are going to have the pictures. Yeah, this is the picture. Suresh, you are still in progress. That's the reason we are not able to see. Once you submit, then only we will be able to see that picture. Okay, Pratiksha submitted. Very good, Pratiksha. Life is very short. Be happy with what you have. Use the time which God gives you. Very fine. Life is a journey. Make the best of it. So okay, very good. So you have put some quotation, smiley symbol, Pratiksha. Life is very short. Be happy with what you have. Is this your own quotation or Google quote? If it is your quotation, very fine. And now onwards, you may please observe which one is better. And we will give preference to the pictures which are drawn by people, not downloaded one. Downloaded one is not considered for what? Yeah, on only. Very good, Pratiksha. Downloaded one, we will keep it for entertainment, but for best picture category, drawing picture will be considered because it requires more skill, right? Yes. Next one, Avani is in process. Father is the one who cares you and loves you unconditionally. Okay, my dad is my hero and she has drawn the picture. Okay, fine, very beautiful one. But I think this is a downloaded picture, right, Avani? Downloaded picture? I believe so. Okay, but quotation is correct only. Beautiful. So Upendar sir is very lucky that he has got such a lovely daughter. Now, Lahari, she has come up with injection, get vaccinated. Okay, fine, great. Now coming to Pravalika, Corona, respect. What do you wanted to say this Corona? What do you wanted to say with this picture, Pravalika? You wanted to say that we should respect Corona? We are not going to respect because of this stupid Corona only. We have faced so many problems. So I think there is a picture in between, like a doctor. I think so. I guess so. Corona. I think so. That is the reason. But that picture has not come here because it is empty. because still the work is in progress. Vikas Chari, simple and beautiful. You have drawn the picture of a house and very good, and village atmosphere. All the best. Sampath, this is what your reflection. Because of schools are closed, you are very sad. This is what the reality. And this is a picture which is drawn by you. So very good. Fine. Shailaja, butterfly. You wanted to fly like a butterfly, but this corona season is not allowing you to do like that. Let's hope that all problems are going to be over and we are going to be like butterflies shortly. Kartika and Shailaja, similar thoughts. Girls are always the people who wanted to be like a butterfly because they have got less freedom in life, I think. So that's the reason. Okay. May all your wishes become true. Don't worry. Rishida, still she has not started. Ram Suhas, family. Very good. Okay. Like a caricature it is. Like a cartoon caricature. Family. Very great. Father, mother and kid. Beautiful thought. So you love your family a lot. You give family values. Great. Happy. P. Karthik, coronavirus, stay home. Okay. So you are asking coronavirus to be at home or something? We do not know, but very happy. Sir, I didn't submit anything, Lakshmi Karthika, because you joined late, madam. That is the reason. Huh? I don't know who used my name. We will see then. Okay. Let's see. All right. Lakshmi Karthika has. Okay. We will find it out. Oh, without finding, then how come your link will reach to that person? Someone has given your name and they submitted, I think so. Ashwini, oh, say farmers, farmer is only the king of our country. Very good. In a span of time, you have literally made a great farmer. I can see that this is one of the greatest pictures among today's I have seen, and you have even included included the crops also. Very beautiful. Hats off to your creativity. Coming to Beulah Christina, she's still in progress only. Okay, P. Sathika, online classes. Yes, our life is always in online classes. That's the reason I thought of having this kind of activity so that we'll get some relaxation. Sai Sushan, farmers are commenting suicide. Why do they comment suicide? They are committing suicide. Okay, if they commit suicide, how it will become, we do not know. Farmers are committing suicide. Okay, fine. So this picture is a very sad reality today that we have. Sushan's and Ashwini's thoughts are about farmers. Very great, very nice idea. Fine. Chakradeja submitted, stopping us from going to school, coronavirus, school, home. Absolutely. So you are very much angry on coronavirus. Very good. So fine idea. Yes, Sanchana, overcome negativity and be the happiest person in your life. Very true, because our lesson is already talking about positive thing only. Now Likita is in process. Gayatri Pawar still doing in progress. Otherwise, some dots are there. Like Upri movie hero, I have to guess what exactly you are doing. Now chemistry progress. Nandini wrote something about miss the school. Really? Thank you so much. Varshit, failures are not permanent. Success don't have end. Absolutely true, Varshit. What you told is very correct only. Mayur, coronavirus. Okay, fine. Maunika, picture of a girl. Okay, fine. Be happy like this. Akshara, oh my God. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation of all abundance. Very true. Yes. Niharika, a girl who is sitting. So this is the reflection of you, like the girl who is sitting. Advance happy birthday. My bestie, I miss you a lot. Oh my God, who is this? To whom did you wish this? So that person will become happy. So this shows that how much you are missing your friend. And Srivarsha, Gaud, you can say that who is that friend, so that person also will become happy. T. Akshay is in process. Vasavi, very beautiful picture. Beauty of the nature. Perfectly fine. You have done it, Vasavi. Congratulations. So this is what, and we have got the Suresh picture. Suresh picture you can see here. He is still in progress only. So this is what the activity for the day. I think it's the time for us to complete this, and we are supposed to be back. Right. So guys, I hope you had at least some time pass. I understand that nothing will help you. Nothing will make you happy other than your friends and classroom. And these are all not the alternate for that. Only a stress buster for all of us, a small stress buster. Okay, so try to be happy so that we can start with a new topic for B section tomorrow onwards. Balakrishna sir will continue. Right now, you have to tell me whose picture was good among all this. Which one do you think that you have seen the picture of people, right? So don't be a miser in giving appreciation. Just now you have proved that you are very positive people, right? So please appreciate your friend. Let them be happy. Ashwini, yes, Lahari, Kartika, Ashwini, all are saying Ashwini. Then what about from B section? No one has said. Yes, Sushant's picture. Yes, Sushant also suggested. Yes, good. Sushant, Ashwini, only just because of farmer, don't think that. Vasavi's picture was also good only, right? She, you drew a lot. Pravalika, yes, good. Fine, great. So all A section people are saying Ashwini. Yes, Avani's picture, Himasri. Okay. The thing is that Avani downloaded the picture. That's the reason. Ram Suha's picture. Very good, Shraddha. Ram Suhas also did it well. Thank you so much, everybody. So our time is going to be over. We have got very less time left. We will see with another topic tomorrow. Be very happy. Hope you had little bit of entertainment today, and hope to see you people. And till then, please take care. So bye. Keep the mobile aside till 9 o'clock. Don't touch the mobile once again. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, Sambat Kumar, your happiness is our happiness. If you are happy, we will also be happy. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.